Okay, I look terrible, but it's okay. Jonathan, do you want to be?
Sure thing.
Hey guys, so this is my brother Jojo. Yeah.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Rocky.
I'm gonna get Rocky.
Yeah, you better control that beast. Okay, anyway, so hey guys, it's me, Hadassah. Today I was supposed to post part 2 of my depop series. I wouldn't call it a series, but part 2 of my depop, starting my shop. But it's being a little bit postponed. So I was still like, you know what? I still want to post a video this week. So today is Monday and we're just at home doing nothing. We've been home the whole day. That's why I look like this. But I'm basically going to get creative in the kitchen and channel my inner Lara Jean. And I'm going to bake using puff pastries. Let me show you. We have these puff pastry sheets and I've never used them before. So I was just like, you know what? Let me get creative and let me look stuff up on YouTube and see what I can do. So I've seen a lot of people into All the Boys I Loved Before. Obviously, Lara Jean makes those cherry turnovers or whatever, but I don't have cherries and I don't have strawberries. But you know what I do have? Frozen raspberries. So I'm gonna use frozen raspberries. So basically, I don't know how this video is gonna go. I need to collect all of my ingredients. I need to get everything that I'm gonna use. So let me just do that now. Okay, so the kitchen's a little bit of a mess, but I have the pastry sheets and then the raspberries, sugar, and I got wax paper and parchment paper because I don't know if I'm gonna need either of them for baking, but I'm assuming I will. So yeah, I'm just gonna look up the YouTube video that I saw so I can know what I'm doing. So I checked the recipe. I also need cinnamon and vanilla extract, so yeah. Wait, how does it go? It goes like... Oh my gosh, okay. Let's defrosted the raspberries. You see them, Jojo? Yeah,
oh.
Yeah, get into it.
Oh, they smell bad.
You smell bad. Go take a shower.
Oh, I was just like, maybe it's just you.
Okay, rude.
Oh,
now we have to go on the stove, and I'm gonna, wow. I need to be saved from this toxic environment.
No, it's not
the
me.
The only person in this house who really has my back is this puppy.
No, me.
So the video that I was watching was literally so unhelpful. I'm just gonna eyeball it. So all I know is that I'm supposed to be boiling this with sugar, vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon. And then I know what it's supposed to look like when it's done. So let's just hope this goes good. So let's just do this. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay. I'm just gonna be eyeballing all of this. So, oh gosh, it's heating up. Okay, I think that's enough sugar because this is scary. Okay, now I'm gonna put in some vanilla. I'm really eyeballing this, that's enough. And now for the cinnamon. I love how I gasped, but okay, you know what? I'll live. I will live. Do you know the way? You do not know the way, so in time I will show you the way. Stop, there's smoke.
Excuse me,
Okay, so it said it's supposed to take like 20 minutes, but I don't want it to take 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing it until I think it's something that I could put inside my puff pastry. Ready? Wait! Child, it's bubbling. What's that other song? Y'all, let me show you this. So this is what it's looking like. I think it's okay. Like, I think I'm doing a good job. I think I'm doing pretty good. Laura Jean would be proud. She'd be telling me I'm doing it all wrong, but I don't care. Yo, it smells so good too. Like, I feel like this is good enough. Yeah, I think this is good enough. 20 minutes, child. I did it in half the time. Okay, let me turn off the stove. I could have made this a TikTok. Baking puff pastries. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the filling into the pastry. This is kind of exciting. Oh my gosh, what if it's too much? Okay, I need to chill. Officially in the oven. Okay, so they look weird now, but I'm gonna take them out. Look, it's burnt, but it's okay. And then basically I didn't film an outro because it was very late at night. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Good afternoon, God bless, and goodbye.